Ero komachielo bende ne gikone to koro piem mago mag wende mag skunde ma higa ka higa mosebiro ka koro dhi nyime kaunti ma Kisumu ne ochopo giko mare sub kaunti mano maseme. Piem ma kamagi koro ni nokelo skunde bowora kamoting'o mago mag primar kach koda junior koda senior secondary ka ne giwuok e kuonde mopogore opogore ma pacho ka. Justus Adoyo noyore giko mar piem go kendo losno lipot e yo machal kama.
Ukitaka kuendesha magari makubwa soma upate elimu.
Juma Chel nyasi go mag piem go mag were gana riyo kod 26 Kisumu County osebedo ka dhi nyime St. Barnabas kocha e sub county Roma Seme Kisumu County. Gin piem go ma bende yande ochako kod skunde go mago mag JSS, skunde go mag primar kod chieng' ma kawuono skunde go mag secondary koro nochopo e giko e piem go maket kod mano. Mana kaka pimonwa kod jagoro gweko mag tuke gweko mag skunde secondary mana migosi Joseph Atiende.
We started the festival on Tuesday, that's on 16th. The first 2 days was for primary, second days for junior school, and the last 2 days are for senior school, where we are doing our last day today. Now the festival has run smoothly. If I talk about the senior schools, we started with presentations in German, Arabic, French, and also sign language on the fourth day. And now the fifth day was yesterday, and this today is our last day, which is the sixth day of the event.
Kata kamano migosi Atiende koro ywago malich mokalo ng'anyo gweko kanyakla koda meji gweko mabende yandi owang'o skunde pacho kaendi mabende owacho ni oduoko chien rang'iny gweko mag wende mabende ni nyiso seme kono.
And I want to say that performance this time is a bit down, and maybe the cause is known in public, the unrest which has affected our school. Some learners came the other day, and we can't expect good performance if there is no practice. We need to practice so that we nurture and we raise talents. I pray that such a thing may not occur because it affects performance.
Domingo Atiende no Nairobi no sir machiegni kod japuonj Isaac Pondi mana achiel kuom jopuonj e skund jaweno Roma Chula Imbo.
Now when you talk Elimu, as the Director of Studies, we're trying to infuse in every co-curricular activity the importance of education. These young minds should be encouraged. They have not been there, we've been there. That education is the key. And like he's singing, that is where we're heading. It's with education that the world will change. Yes, as a parent and also as a teacher, I will tell students, young students, to kindly take counsel. At times, mama or daddy might have failed to tell you the right way. But there are people there, like your teachers. Just listen. I believe no teacher will tell a student to do bad things. So just listen to your teachers, your preachers, those who come to preach to you, and be sure that you are in good hands, and if you follow their advice, nothing will go wrong.
En nyagruok ne Roma bende no dhi nyime kin jopuonjre gweko machuo kanyakla kod nyiri e skunde gweko mopogore opogore mana kaka ipimonwa kod japuonj Gladys Chesambili achiel kuom jopuonj e skund sekondar ne Roma Kasagam Kisumu East Sub County e Kisumu County.
Today we performed the set piece, mixed set piece. It's a Zulu song. It's a very vibrant song, very explosive. And the students have put in effort to learn it. They have performed to their best of their level. And with the administration for supporting them.
Kato bedo ni midhiero mopogore opogore osebedo ka kwako skunde pacho kaendi nyithindo gweko mabende ne okawo keregi e piem maket kod magi nonyiso chia margi malich miwuoro. Mana kaka leronwa kod jopuonjre.
Why I chose this song Elimu Kia Maisha, it's because it encouraged me that elimu ndio key ya maisha, and also I wanted to encourage other students to learn because reading takes people far, and elimu has make people in this world be great people.
I'm happy to be in the festival because we were performing a song from the Zulu. It is a South African song and it is a celebration song. We enjoyed it. I hope we'll proceed to the regional and we hope for the best. Yeah.
Gin piem gweko mabende bro neno ka skunde mopogore opogore mabende nowuok joloch e piem gweko odhi nyime rang'iny lero mar region mabende biro igeno mar biro bago jumbe 2 kowuok sani. Nekala TV kowuok e Kisumu County and Justus Adoyo.